Wise up, y'all. Wise up. Come on.
Hi julle, welkom by die laaste Wise Up vir hierdie jaar. Ek los julle met hierdie storie. In ancient times, a king had his men place a huge rock on a roadway. He then hid in the bushes and watched to see if anyone would move the rock out of the way. Some of the king's wealthiest merchants and courtiers passed by and simply walked around it. Many people blamed the king for not keeping the roads clear, but none of them did anything about getting the stone removed. And so it happened that one day a peasant came along carrying vegetables. Upon approaching the rock, the peasant laid down his burden and tried to push the rock out of the way. After much pushing and straining, he finally managed. After the peasant went back to pick up his vegetables, he noticed a purse lying in the road where the rock had been. The purse contained many gold coins, and a note from the king explains that the gold was for the person who removed the rock from the road. You see, in life, every obstacle that we come across gives us an opportunity to improve our circumstances. And while the lazy complain, others will create opportunities through their kind hearts, generosity and willingness to get things done. So see every problem as an opportunity and a chance to become better and to grow. Sien, die Here het aarde toe gekom om namens ons daardie klippe te vernietig. So nou kan ons elke klip in ons lewe wegrol en kyk watter blessing die Here vir ons daaruit wil gee en hoe hy ons daardeur wil versterk. So as jy hierdie jaar Kersfees vier, onthou dat ons die grootste geskenk reeds ontvang het. Christus wat mens geword het om namens ons die prys van ons sonde en pyn te betaal, sodat ons kan lewe. Nou is geen klip onskuifbaar nie. Kom ons eindig hierdie jaar af deur hierdie sang te sing.
Everyone needs compassion, love that's never failing. Let mercy fall on me. Everyone needs forgiveness, the kindness of a Savior, the hope of nations. Yeah, everyone. Savior, He can move the mountains. My God is mighty to save. He is mighty to save. Forever, author of salvation. He rose and conquered the grave. Jesus conquered the grave. Yeah! As you find me, all my fears and failures, and fill my life again. I give my life to follow everything I believe in. Now I surrender. I surrender. Savior, Savior, He can Lift it up. He conquered the grave. The Savior, the Savior. He can move the mountains. Mighty to save. He is mighty to save. Forever, author of salvation. He rose and conquered the grave. Jesus conquered the grave. Shine your light, and let the whole world see. We're singing for the glory of the risen King. Jesus, shine your light and let the whole world see. We're singing for the glory of the risen King. Shine your light, and let the whole world see. We're singing for the glory of the risen King. Jesus, shine your light and let the whole world see. We're singing for the glory of the risen.
Geseënde Kersfees vir elkeen van julle en geniet die vakansie wat voorlê. Onthou, jou rotsbreker is altyd by jou. Hy stel jou in staat om elke klip in jou pad te kan skuif. Be blessed. Bye.
Have you said